Okay, so hello everyone, and this is my tutorial about a sensor, an ultrasonic sensor. I'll just call it test sensor. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to have an Arduino, and I'm going to code the sensor on it, and what I'm going to do with it is I'll be able to find the distance between two objects. So two objects, it's kind of like how a bat listens to, a bat finds the distance between two things. They listen, they send a signal, and they wait for an echo to reply back. So that's basically what this does here. So right here is basically what I call the HC-SR04 module, right there. And this is my Arduino. I'll get into the schematics later, but right now, what I want to do is work on the Arduino coding. So, we're going to put, now it doesn't matter what you put for 10 or 9, it doesn't really matter as long as it's just a number between 1 through 13. Alright, I just took 10 and 9 because I like those. And then, void setup. Serial.begin. Now if you guys wondering what's the serial monitor, it's this right here, but I haven't connected my Arduino yet, but I'll tell you how it works. Basically the serial monitor is like an LCD screen, except having to do all that work, so it's something that's good for beginners. So pinMode, ECHOPIN, input, and then TRIGPIN output. Void loop, and this is where we're going to do digitalWrite, which is from the serial monitor. Also Serial.print distance, Serial.print in centimeters, and I want to send a signal every 100 milliseconds, and then we're going to see how far it will go. Alright, so that's how it is. Pause the video and copy this down. Alright, I'll try to leave these codes in the description below, but I might not be able to. Alright, it saves a lot of time if I do, but I can't make any promises about that. And then, so I'm going to go into fritzing here. It's very good. So, basically, this is what I use to show us a breadboard schematic type thing. Not really a schematic, but see, this is a schematic. I just call this a diagram. Like, it can also do it. So I just like this because it's easier for us to see for beginners. So get your Arduino. Now I actually did mine completely different way. I just got jumper wires and I connected them to the Arduino board. But this way, it's a lot more clean. It might be kind of hard to find the difference here between the TRIGPIN and the ECHOPIN. So basically, I'm going to go ground. Ground goes, if you follow these wires, ground goes to ground on the Arduino board. VCC goes to 5 volts. Trig goes to pin 9. And echo goes to pin 10. Like I told you, it doesn't matter where you put it, as long as you put it corresponding to your code. So echo pin is 10, trig pin is 9. That's why for me, my trig and echo pin, my echo pin is 10 and my trig pin is 9. Alright? So that's why I have it like that. So this is the schematic. I want you guys to watch it. Pay close attention to it. Pause the video, make this right now. Alright? Pause the video, copy this right now. From the description, you can get it. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my Arduino board. Alright? First of all, make sure you guys verify it. Verify this. Now, also, I want to share a tip with you. One thing that I noticed when you verify, some things turn different colors. So if something that you wrote is not turning a different certain color, then maybe you should go back and check the spelling. Also, it's very sensitive, so you might want to check if it's capital or if it's lowercase. And done compiling or verifying, and if when it's white down here, when it says done compiling, then you're all set. Go ahead and upload it right now. Alright, and also I'm going to connect to my Arduino board right now. So it's done uploading. So now, once you have this verified and uploaded, and also you have your Arduino and HC-SR04 put together, go here, go to your Arduino test sensor or whatever you want to call it, and go into the corner right here. It says serial monitor. Press that, alright, and it says COM3, alright, or it depends on what you do it, and it depends on where you put it in. I think I put something in wrong. Oh, yeah, my ECHOPIN and TRIGPIN are switched, so that might be a problem why it says 0 for me, but that's something that you can do to change. Just switch it, make sure that you pay close attention, and I'm going to put in the TRIGPIN to pin 9 now. And now we're going to get some numbers in centimeters. Now we're getting some numbers. So my sensor is going to send a signal, and it's going to hit something and then wait for an echo back. Oh, and why is it like this? Alright, there it is. I don't know why it's like that, going like that. So, and it's gonna echo, and the signal's gonna echo back, and it's gonna go back to the sensor, and it's going to do a formula. There's a formula out there that they calculate out. If you've heard velocity equals distance divided by time, well, we know we're trying to find the distance, and we know the time it's taking for the signal to go one place and then back, and then we also know the speed it is going at. Alright? So then they figure out the distance from there. So look, so whatever is in front of this is about 71 centimeters or 72 centimeters. I'm going to put my hand right in front of it, about 4 centimeters away, alright? I'm putting my hand right in front of it, 3 centimeters away. I'm going to put my eraser in front of it, 4 centimeters away, alright guys? Also, if you guys don't want to go so fast, just change it to maybe you want to go every 2 seconds. So put 2000 because this is microseconds, and 1000 microseconds go into 1 second. So 2 seconds is 2000 microseconds, alright? So this is why I really like this project, because it kind of tells you the distance. Like, you know, like many people, they don't want to get a ruler out or a tape measure and measure the distance. This way it's actually very easy to do, and it's up to 5 meters, so we have quite some distance to measure with this, so it's very helpful. So I want to you guys need to make sure, if you guys want to do this project, make sure you have the Arduino Uno board, the HC-SR04 module, and then you have the ECHOPIN, and make sure you have the right codes, and then make sure you have it wired up correctly. If it says 0 on the COM3, or whatever, COM4, COM5, if it says 0000, then you might want to check to see if you put in the trig and ECHOPIN on the right way or order, and that will help. Also, make sure you don't switch the ground in the 5 volts. Right. So basically, I want to explain to you guys what is about COM3, or the serial monitor, whatever you want to call it. Why is this so helpful for beginners? It's because when you're a beginner, no line ending, right? And 9,600, right? So when you're a beginner, you don't really, the LCD screen is something that we're going to get into later on. My LCD screen does not currently work, but later on I'll do a tutorial about the LCD screen, On the LCD screen, it's just exactly what we're looking at right now, except it's on a mini screen, which makes it so portable, unlike you don't want to bring your computer everywhere. It's just very simple to use, and so that's why from now on I'll be using COM3 or the serial monitor a lot until we use the LCD screen. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go out there and learn something new about the Arduino Uno, because it's a very interesting thing about what Arduinos can do. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.